Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Yemoja, Iya Olomo Wewe, Yemoja agan, Yemoja, the queen of the ocean. In this video, I will be sharing with you what you need to know about Yemoja, the river goddess, also known as mermaid in English. The name Yemoja is a combination of three words. 1. Yeye, 2. Omo, and 3. Eja, that is Yeye-Omo-Eja, meaning mother of fishes. Likewise, some also call her Yemoja. This represents the greatness of her motherhood and her reign over all living things. In West Africa, most especially in the Yoruba speaking part of Nigeria, Yemoja is worshipped as a high-ranking river deity. In Yoruba land, river Orishas are Yemoja, Oshun, and so on. Olokun is also a water deity, but specifically fills the role of the sea in Yoruba land. While Yemoja is a leader of the other river deities. Yemoja is a mermaid. She can visit all other bodies of water, including the sea. But her home and the realm she owns is the river, especially the Ogun River in Nigeria. So, in the Yoruba religion, Yemoja is a spirit of rivers. Yemoja is motherly, protective, and she cares for all her children. Yemoja cures infertility in women, and cowrie shells represent our wealth in the Yoruba religion. Among the Orishas in Yoruba religion, she is a special one who does not easily lose her temper. But when angered, she can be destructive and violent through flood. It is believed in the Yoruba religion that Yemoja loves women, as she is in charge of what women are known for, such as the birth and the bearing of children, parenting, child safety, love, and also healing. This is why you see that our followers are mostly women. Yemoja was originally of the Yoruba religion according to our history as Yorubas. But now, these Orisha has now become prominent in many Afro-American religions. She is recognized and honored not only in Africa but also in Brazil, Cuba, and other parts of the world. You may be wondering why some of our Orishas in Yoruba land are honored outside Nigeria. I want you to understand that our Yoruba ancestors that were followers of Yoruba religion were captured and taken to various areas throughout the world as slaves during the era of slave trade. Now you see that there are a series of variations in the names of Yoruba gods and goddess due to change of accent and tone, such as the word Yemoja is called Yemaya somewhere else. So, Yemoja is equally among the Orisha that became very popular and well known outside Nigeria. How do you praise Yemoja? There are plenty of stanzas in the praise of Yemoja. But for the purpose of this video, I will be sharing these few stanzas with you. I humble myself before the Orisha of Yemoja. You are the queen of mothers. You are the mother of the Orishas. You are the inner part of all life. You are the feminine manifestation of the Ashe. You are the inner part of this world. You are the goddess of the oceans and rivers. You are the owner of the mystery of the feminine principle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.